Welcome to today's recipe, which is a one pot wonder. You're going to find all of the ingredients listed in my one pot wonder Ninja Foodi cookbook, and I'm sure you're going to find it simple and easy to follow. All of these recipes are super easy to create. One Pot Wonders is about making amazing food in one pot that uses several of the functions and different methods to get the most out of your Ninja Foodi. And of course, with the least effort possible. What I love about all of these recipes is that they are inclusive. And this means that you won't need to be cooking your rice elsewhere or putting your hob on to cook your vegetables. These truly are full meals made in your Ninja Foodi. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well if you haven't already. Let's get into today's one pot wonder, and I hope you really enjoy this. Right, let's get on to sear and saute, and let's make a one pot wonder. So this is my prosciutto red pesto cod, and then we have got some baby corn, sugar snap peas, which is beautiful with this, and a tomato-y rice, tomato and basil rice in the bottom. So yummy. Right, let's get started. So sear and saute, some olive oil in the bottom of your pot. Then to that, I'm going to add my red onion. So in that goes. You can use a white onion if you want to. I had red, so that's what I've gone with. And that's a nice thing with these recipes. You know, always feel free to message me if you're not sure, but just switch things up. If it's something you haven't got, but you think I've got an alternative that could work, then just go ahead and use it. So a little bit of salt, just to help soften down the onion. And while we're waiting for that to cook, let's prep our cod. This really is a speedy meal because all I've done so far, as you've seen, is rinsed my rice. And then I've got everything here ready to go. My tomatoes, I'm going to actually leave those whole because under the steam, I think they're going to burst open nicely. We've got baby corn. I've cut mine half just because I like mine quite tender. You can leave yours whole if you prefer. And then we've got our gorgeous sugar snap peas there. Going to be using some tomato puree in the rice. I haven't got any fresh basil, so dried basil will do the job. Right, so for my cod, I have got my slices of prosciutto here, and they are very thin and delicate. Let's just take off that little plastic film there. So for my cod, we want sun-dried tomato pesto, and this tastes so incredible. You want around a tablespoon per piece of cod. So around that amount for one piece. And just spread that nicely over your cod, and that will really absorb that flavour. So I'm cooking this for 2 people, so you're going to want 2 pieces of cod, 2 pieces of prosciutto per person, and then all the vegetables and rice I'm showing you again are for 2. And then all I'm going to do is just turn my cod over, because that's the top, and then I'm going to tuck this in, and this is going to become the bottom. There you go, like that. Doesn't really matter how you do it. You're just creating a little parcel, and that's going to hold that pesto in, keep that flavour in, but this should go a little bit crispy on the outside, and I love that. So I'm just going to show you the one because I don't really need to show you 2 of those, and then let's get back to the rice. So we're getting a little bit of colour, and then our onion is softening down, so that is brilliant, just as we want it. I'm going to crush in the garlic I'm using. You can use, again, you can use more or less if you wish to for your rice. I'm only going to give that a minute here. Doesn't need too long. That is smelling beautiful. We're getting a nice base here. Next to add in my tomato puree, and I'm going to just stir that through. You can add in some of our dried basil, and then our little cherry tomatoes. Looking really, really good. Now, obviously, we're not cooking this at this stage fully. We're just literally getting the flavours working before we start layering it up. You can turn off the sear and saute. We don't need that anymore. Let's tip in our rice. So that has been rinsed. I always say washed, don't I? It's really not the right term. Rinsed rice is the way to go. So just literally just stirring through that tomato flavour and the basil and the onion. And you can see that's changed colour pretty quickly. Let's get our stock in, and then we can just make sure that the sides are nice and clean. I'm just using a vegetable stock for this dish. There you go. Just make sure there's no rice stuck on the side. You want to make sure that the rice is in there nicely, ready to go. And just by stirring on the bottom, you're just sort of deglazing the bottom, making sure that that stock is nicely dissolved in there. And the great thing about this is the stock I've just made up with a kettle of hot water. So this is already hot. So that's our bottom layer, and then we put the rack in. So now we've got all of our sugar snaps and baby corn. That is brilliant. We add the top section of the rack, and that's when you add your pieces of cod on top, just like this. Now, the beauty with a steam meal is that you don't need to worry about the valve, and it's really quick and easy. So steam meals is the function that we are looking for. I'm going to stick with 200, and I'm going to go with just 8 minutes. Now, if you're new to using steam meals, you'll see pre on your screen here. That is just the section where we're building up that steam inside. So that's why 8 minutes seems really quick, but we are doing a little bit of cooking as it builds up. And then let's have a look at my tomato rice. Give that a stir. Oh my goodness, that is cooked so well. We've got those gorgeous pieces of burst tomatoes running through that. It smells incredible. And I can just tell you now, this is going to taste amazing. Let's serve up this lovely one-pot meal. Let's start off with our tomato rice on the bottom. Plenty of rice here. And here we have it, a one-pot wonder of beautiful red pesto prosciutto cod. I've just added a little bit of extra basil to that rice. Obviously, if you've got fresh basil, please do use it. And then we've got the vegetables, and then topped with our cod. Looks an absolutely stunning meal. It's healthy, it's quick, and I promise you it's really easy, so give it a go. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe as well if you're new here, and please let me know if you try it and you enjoy it.